Mrs. Conley asks her class what kind of party they want to have to celebrate their excellent behavior. Out of all the students in the class, 5 want an ice cream party. So let's make a table. Ice cream. 5. 7 want a movie party. 10 want a costume party. Okay, and the rest are undecided. So we have undecided. We don't know how many. Okay. If 20% want an ice cream party, how many students are in the class? 20% want an ice cream party. Okay. So 20%, 20 hundredths are equal to 20% of X, because we don't know the number of students in the class, equals to 5. Okay. Which means that X equals to, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 20%, 20 over 100. So we need to multiply 5 by 100 over 20. We can simplify this to 10 over 2. We can further simplify this. Divide the denominator by 2 and the numerator by 2, so we get 5 multiple 5 times 5, which is 25. If our solar system, in our solar system, let me just clear the board. In our solar system, 6 of the 8 planets have moons. What percentage of the planets have moons? Okay, 6 over 8 3/4, okay, because we have divided the denominator by 2, and we have divided the numerator by 2. 3/4, 3/4 equal to 75 hundredths, because we have multiplied the denominator by 25 and the numerator by 25, and this equals 75%. Darius buys a bottle of a chemical solution that contains 70% alcohol. The bottle contains 500 milliliters of solution. How many milliliters of alcohol are in the solution? Okay, so 70% times 500. Okay. 70 hundredths are 70% times 500, which is the contents of the bottle. So this equals to 710 times 500. I can simplify this to so this equals to 7 times 500 over 10. I can simplify this and it becomes 7 times 50, which is 850. So this is the answer. 350 milliliters of alcohol are in the solution. Okay. Okay. Another way we could tackle this is by saying that 10% of 500 is 50. Okay, because 10% is 1/10. Because 10 hundredths equal 1/10, and 1/10 of 500 is 50. And because we need 70% or 7/10, it means we need 7 times as much. So 50 times 7 is 300. 50. Anastasia is grocery shopping with her father and wonders how much shopping is left to do. We already have 60% of the items in our list, the father says. Anastasia sees 12 items in the cart. How many grocery items are on the list? Okay, so 60% is 60 hundredths. We don't know x. We don't know the number. X is the number of the items in the list, and we don't know how many items are in the list. 60% of x equals 12. Okay. Because we have 12 items already in the cart. Okay. So if 60% equals to 12, it means that 10% of x 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Okay, and we need to know how much 40% is, okay, because if we have already 60% and we need to complete it to 100%, so it's 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8. So 40% is, how many items, we need to know how many items are in the list. So if 10% is 2, it means that 100% is 10 times more, which is 20. Esteban has a big jar of change in his wallet. He has 60 coins in total, okay, and 240 of them are pennies. What percentages of coins are pennies? Okay. So we need to know how to translate 240 out of 600 to percentages. 240 out of 600. If we divide the denominator by 6, we get 200. We divide the denominator by divide by 6. The numerator, we get to 40. So 40 hundreds are 40%. Ivan, Bella, and Ian agreed to share a pizza which has cut into 10 slices. Ivan ate 40% of the pizza. Okay, so we need to divide the pizza into 10 slices. Let's see, it's 4. No. Forget it. Okay. If okay. Okay, so 40 40%, which is 40 hundredths times 10 equals what? Okay, so we simplify this. It's 4 tenths, and we simplify this. So it's 4 times 1. It's 4. Okay, 4 slices. Another way to think about it is if when 10 slices, 1/10, 10% of 10 is 1. 10% is 1, because 10% is 1/10 of 10. So if 10% is 1, 40% is 4. Okay. Because 40% is 4 times bigger than 10%. So if we go to from 10 to 40%, we multiply 1 by 4, we get the 4. So this is 4 slices. John is a quarterback. This year he completed 350 passes. 350 passes, which is 70% of all the passes he has attempted this year. How many passes has John attempted this year? Okay. So 70% of x equals 350. To know what x is the number of passes John attempted this year. To know what x is, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 70 hundredths. So 350 divided by 70 hundredths, we need to multiply by 100 over 70. Which equals to 350 times 100 over 70. Okay, so you can simplify this. And we can divide 350 by 7, so we can, this becomes 1, 350 divided by 7 is 50. So x equals to 50. We're left with 50 times 1. So 70% of x is 350 means how? It's 500, not 50. Okay, sorry. Because we're 50 times 10, not 50 times 1. It's 500. Okay. And why did I stop? Because 50 is not reasonable. Because if 70% is bigger than half of 350 is 175, so it's not possible that 70% will be only 50, because 70%, no, I'm sorry, okay, 70% is 350, so it cannot be that x is less than 350. If 70% of something is 350, so that something cannot be smaller than 350, it has to be bigger. So it cannot be 50. Okay, so it's 500. Okay, next we will take the quiz.